Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you three simple steps on how to fix Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for network space connections. The moment you have typed that, please proceed with the best match and go with open to continue and wait until a new window which is your network connection panel would appear. Where here you would be able to see all the network adapters or the network cable that your Wi-Fi is connecting to. Okay? So you need to do a right click with the Wi-Fi and go with enable. This I have just enabled it. That's why it says here enable, but in your case one of the factor why you face an error is that you might accidentally or you might mistakenly disable it. So click on enable and once you have enabled it, check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to proceed to our second method, which is here at the bottom search bar. Please type for PowerShell. The moment you have typed that, please proceed with the best match and go with run as administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this window as administrator, sorry. So you need to type two command tags which I'll be including at the description box below. And the very first is netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. So type paste it here or you can type that, then click on enter. And once you have successfully reset the winsock catalog, type the second command text, which is netsh space int space ip space reset. Type it here at the Windows PowerShell, and once you're done, close this window and restart your computer. Now there is a need to restart your computer in order to apply on the actions that we have just performed in this video. Restart it and check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to bound to our third and last method, and that is here at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up and then go with settings. Tap on it and wait until a new window would appear. You can also use the shortcut keys, which are by pressing Windows key and I key together, that would lead you to your settings application or window. Here at the settings, please proceed at the option called Network and Internet. Simply click on it. And here you need to scroll down and look for Advanced Network Settings. Click on it and wait until you are being redirected to this window. Afterwards, proceed with More Settings and go with Network Reset. Click on it. And aligning to this network reset, you can see there an option called Reset Now. Now you need to click on it and this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So basically this will only help you to fix the problem. Your PC will be restarted the moment you will click on it. And don't worry, you just have to wait until the process would be done. And once you have complete the process successfully, please restart your computer. It will be restarted. Check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.